Okay, in editing your webinar funnel, you'll notice that we have the watch page here, and we have our call to action that is tied to it. Now, I'm going to preview this so you can see something. Now, this call to action on here, you can see right here the timer is counting down. It is tied to the page, time on the page, not the video itself. So for instance, you could see that this started at 30 seconds. If I grab this video and I slide it down to 30 seconds or past 30 seconds, the CTA button does not appear up at the top. That's because the timer is tied to the page. Now, if you want to stop people from being able to scrub through your video or pause or anything like that because you want to make sure that the CTA button appears at the right time, then there's a different step that you need to take to embed the video in here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to close out of this and I'm going to show you. We're going to come into edit this page and I'm going to select the video here and I'm just going to go ahead and delete this video. Okay, so this is the video that is linking to my video on Wistia. I'm just going to delete that. Now, if you want to stop people from being able to scrub through your videos, then we can set those changes inside of Wistia. But first, we need to add in an element here. And instead of adding a video element, we are going to add a custom JavaScript or HTML block. All right, so we have that there. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see Open Code Editor. So we will come back to this in just a moment. Let's hop over to our Wistia account and let's go into the video itself. Now, if we want to remove these controls, we're going to come over to Controls. And these are all the settings, and you can see what we can get rid of. So I'm going to keep autoplay on. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to uncheck all the things that we don't want to show up on this video. So for instance, we can take, if we don't want them to be able to change the playback speed, we can uncheck that. Full screen, you can deselect that if you don't want them to have that. But the main thing that we're talking about is the play bar here. This is what has the scrubbing controls and the play and the pause. So if we uncheck that, you can see that they can scrub through, they can start it, and they can pause it, but they can't scrub. So let's get rid of the play buttons on here.
Hey, I'm Rick. I just want to
and now this video, I'm going to save it. So once you have taken care of that, so the controls are just how we want them on here. You can see just quality. There is no playback speed, and the volume is right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to the embed and share. Click OK. And then from the inline embed, we're going to copy this code here. So copy that code, come back over into Modern Healer, and we're going to paste it right inside of here. Click Yes, Save. And now click Save up at the top again. From here, if we preview, you'll see that the video will load. It will start playing, and there is no play or pause controls on it. And that is how you ensure that this timer is synced with the video and that people can't scrub through to mess up your CTA timings. All right, we will see you in the next video.